Welcome to Flookup Labs. We combine finance expertise with technology to simplify complex compliance processes. Introducing 145146, our intelligent bulk filing platform for Forms 145 and 146. The platform helps organizations automate bulk filings, reduce manual effort, improve accuracy, and simplify overseas remittance compliance. Let's first understand why Forms 145 and 146 have become an important part of the compliance process.
With Budget 2020, the dividend distribution tax was abolished. As a result, dividend income became taxable in the hands of shareholders. This also shifted the responsibility to companies, which must now deduct tax deducted at source before making dividend payments. For payments to non-resident shareholders, additional remittance compliance requirements apply. Depending on the transaction, Form 145, Form 146, or both may be required before the payment is made. Failure to comply or furnishing incorrect information may also attract penalties. Let's now understand how these two forms work together in the compliance process.
Form 145 is a self-declaration that must be filed on the income tax portal before making an overseas remittance. Depending on the nature of the transaction, Form 145 is divided into 4 parts. Part A applies when the remittance is taxable up to 5 lakh rupees and a chartered accountant certificate is not required. Part B applies when the remittance exceeds 5 lakh rupees, but an assessing officer certificate under Section 395 is available. Part C applies when the remittance exceeds 5 lakh rupees and a chartered accountant certificate is required. That certificate is issued through Form 146. Its acknowledgement number is automatically linked to Part C of Form 145 during the filing process. Part D is used for non-taxable remittances, where no chartered accountant certificate is required. Understanding which part applies to your transaction is the first step towards accurate and compliant filing.
While the compliance framework is straightforward, managing it at scale is where the real challenge begins. First, companies need to determine the correct tax deducted at source for every non-resident shareholder. The applicable rate can vary based on tax residency, shareholder category, and treaty benefits, making the process both complex and error-prone. Once the tax has been determined, the filing process itself becomes another operational challenge. For large shareholder bases, preparing Form 145 and obtaining Form 146 for each applicable transaction can consume significant time and effort. This directly increases the manual workload. For example, a company with just 2,000 non-resident shareholders may spend nearly 800 man-hours on filing activities alone. Adding to this, companies are also required to distribute declared dividends within the statutory timeline. Since the required forms must be completed before the remittance, there is very little room for delays or errors. This is exactly where automation makes the difference. Let's see how our platform simplifies the entire process.
To address these challenges, we developed the 145146 bulk filing tool. Our platform is designed to simplify the entire compliance process. With automated validations and intelligent processing, organizations can generate filing outputs in minutes instead of hours. Client information can be uploaded directly through a standard Excel file. The system validates the data automatically and instantly highlights any errors before filing. Security is equally important. The platform is hosted on Amazon Web Services with enterprise-grade security and role-based access controls to protect sensitive information. It also includes built-in documentation support, helping teams manage compliance more efficiently from a single platform. Now, let's see how the platform works in practice.
Let's compare the traditional approach with our automated solution. In a manual process, finance teams spend significant time determining the correct TDS rate,
verifying shareholder details, and preparing every filing manually. This not only increases the workload, but also raises the risk of errors and delays. With our platform, these activities are automated. The system determines the applicable TDS rate using built-in DTAA logic, performs intelligent validations, and generates portal-ready JSON files in just a few minutes. The result is a faster, more accurate, and significantly more efficient filing process. Let's now see how this works inside the platform.
Here's how the entire workflow comes together. First, the client requests portal or API credentials to access the platform. Next, our team shares a standardized Excel template for the required forms. The client simply fills in the shareholder and remittance details using the provided format. Once the data is ready, the Excel file is uploaded to the platform, where automated validations instantly identify any missing information or formatting errors. After successful validation, the platform generates portal-ready JSON files that can be downloaded and submitted to the income tax e-filing portal. The complete process is simple, standardized, and designed to make bulk compliance faster, more accurate, and significantly easier.
Let's see how the platform works in practice. After uploading the completed Excel file for the required form, the platform automatically validates every record. As shown on the screen, any missing information, incorrect formats, or validation issues are instantly displayed in the validation panel. Instead of discovering errors during filing, users can identify the exact row and issue, make the necessary corrections, and upload the updated file again. This automated validation process improves accuracy, reduces manual effort, and helps ensure that the files are ready before submission. Once the uploaded data passes all validation checks, the platform enables JSON generation with a single click. As you can see, the JSON file is generated successfully and is immediately available for download. These portal-ready files can then be uploaded directly to the income tax e-filing portal, eliminating repetitive manual work and significantly reducing processing time. From validation to JSON generation, the platform simplifies the entire bulk filing process while ensuring accuracy and compliance. Thank you for watching. If you'd like a live demonstration or want to learn how 145-146 can simplify your bulk compliance process, our team is here to help. Visit us at www.145-146.com. Call us on 705-901-0203 or email us at sujata@15cacb.com. We look forward to helping you automate your Form 145 and Form 146 compliance. Thank you.